My name is Clay Smeltzer, and I am from York, Pennsylvania. I'm the founder of the Purpose Infused Brotherhood. I wanted to increase my revenue. I wanted to make a bigger impact, and I wanted to do it doing what I love. The biggest thing I learned from Dr. B is to narrow my focus, really understanding who it is I serve, what results I get them, what program or system or thing that I'm going to do in order to provide that result, and then really looking at that guarantee of what I do and provide the people who I help out with. What she allowed me to do is she guaranteed to help me, and she's going to guarantee to help you create money easily through the things that you love to do, setting up systems that work, automations that work. So yes, I would give it a big hell yeah to a recommendation for working with Dr. B. If you really want to make sure that you're getting out of it what you want, you got to put the time and the work in. For it. She's going to give you the game plan. She's going to give you the things, but you really got to step into it and really take ownership of that and keep that accountability for yourself. And if you do that, her program is going to be able to work for you